Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkande Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Chapter number 4, Energy Monitoring, Management and Audit. Part 2, Energy Management and Audit. Learning outcomes are same which I told in part 1, Energy Management. Now what is energy management? The optimization and effective use of the energy so as to produce goods product low cost and competitive price. Or energy management is defined the strategy of adjusting the optimizing energy use system and produce so as to reduce the energy requirement as per the unit of the output while holding the constant or reducing the total cost of producing the output from the system. Objective of energy management: to reduce the energy consumption, effective use of the energy consumption, minimize the energy cost, reduce the waste of the energy, reduce emission so as minimize the environmental effects, adopt new technology. Energy audit. As per Indian Energy Conservation Act 2001, energy audit is defined as the variation of monitoring and analyzing of use of the energy, including the submission of technical report containing the recommendation of for improving the energy efficiency with the cost benefit analysis and an action plan to reduce the energy consumption. The objective of energy audit is it shows how the effectively or efficient energy use, highlight the area where the saving of the energy cost is possible, recommendation for the energy conservation, cost benefit analysis. It shows how to improve the productivity and efficiency of the process. Need of energy audit: to reduce the energy consumption per unit of the product output. An audit program will help to keep focus on the variation which occurred in energy cost, availability and reliability of the supply of energy. Energy audit is a translation of the conservation ideas into the realities. Energy audit helps to understand more about the way of the energy and fuel are used in any industries and helps in identifying the area where the waste can be occur and where the scope of the improvement exists. Type of energy audit. The types of energy audit is to perform depends on function and the types of industry, depth to which the final audit is needed, potential and magnitude of the cost reduction design. Thus, energy audit can be classified into following two types: preliminary energy audit, detailed energy audit. Preliminary energy audit. Preliminary energy audit used to existing or easily obtained data, establish the energy consumption in the organization, estimate scope of the saving, identifies most likely area in the attention, immediate no cost, low cost improvement, set the reference point, identifies area for a more detailing study or measurement. Detailed energy audit. Detailed energy audit evaluates all the system and the equipments with the consumed energy and the audit compromise a detailed study on the energy saving and cost. Detailed energy audit carried in a three phase. First is pre-audit phase, second phase is audit phase third is post-audit phase. I have shown some chart 10 step of methodology of detailed energy audit. So step 1, step 2, you may see the table which I have given. Okay, plan of action is given, purpose or result. Okay, in step 2 there is the audit phase. Okay, audit phase carries till 9 and after 10 phase last step is 10 and third phase is your post audit phase. Okay, just have a look. Thank you.